Yesterday you said today, today you said tomorrow, and tomorrow you'll say the next day. But when is the day actually going to come when you take that first step towards your goals? Are you scared of being laughed at by your friends and family? Because that's going to happen. Are you afraid that you're going to fail and look like a loser? That's probably going to happen too. But let me tell you something. Every single person who has ever achieved something great has had to go through some kind of setback. Michael Jordan, arguably the best player in basketball history, missed over 12,000 shots in games. Elon Musk, the richest man in the world, has had multiple businesses fail before one finally took off. You see, without goals, we don't have direction. Without failure, we don't gain experience. And without persistence and the will to succeed, we're never gonna get anywhere near achieving our goals. You have to initiate the first step. You have to be brave enough in yourself to take action and actually get started doing what you want to do. There's going to be a ton of people preying on your downfall because they're too scared to do it themselves. But you have to have faith in yourself that if you do the right things on a daily basis consistently, you're going to get to where you want to be. There will be plenty of people trying to tear you down, hate on you, judge on you, but you just got to push past that and focus on yourself and the destination to where you're going. Focus on the path that you've set out for yourself and don't ever give up on that dream no matter how long it takes, because great things come with time and patience. If you'd like to kickstart 2025 the right way, I have a free 7-day discipline crash course in the description below, outlining how to build healthy habits, discipline, consistency, and my own personal routine. Check that out completely for free down below. And with that said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.